24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $268,770,833, which by and large is genuinely huge. ADA down roughly 2.35% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Cardano's EMA10, for the most part, shows a genuinely descending pattern, or so they sort of thought. Cardano for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a genuinely significant manner. 30 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for the following week and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is in every way that really matters. Transient cost expectation for Cardano basically is ADA a very wise venture, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, or so they basically thought. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the ADA specialized examination, by and large let us certainly discuss the especially current economic situations, which in every practical sense is very huge. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,422,755,320,117 in a kind of significant manner. The very complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $43,447,319,572, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in a real sense is drifting at $268,770,833 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano especially is floating at $268,770,833 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, showing how the essentially complete exchanging volume really remains at $43,447,319,572, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano by and large is drifting at $268,770,833 in an especially huge manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.56 and at present exchanging at 60 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.17% in esteem and in every way that really matters, huge way. These occasions essentially demonstrate that the market especially is going in a very descending heading for sort of present moment, or so they by and large thought. As of now, an especially broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very significant manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become genuinely more fundamentally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, showing how the really all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $43,447,319,572. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is floating at $268,770,833 in a very large manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers by and large become move kind of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that help explicitly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become sort of more kind of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing what by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, showing how the truly complete exchanging volume truly remains at $43,447,319,572. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano especially is drifting at $268,770,833, or so they especially thought. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA in every practical sense, has recorded a downtrend, losing 2.35% in very most recent 24 hours, which explicitly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55. Following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The exceptionally current worth of Cardano fundamentally is drifting at 38 cents, with the exchanging volume of $268,770,833 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, which truly shows that market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,422,755,320,117 in an unpretentious manner. The really by and large market cap for ADA basically is $13,274,117,702 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 1.3% throughout the week, showing that however prior to plunging especially profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us essentially discuss the extremely current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 30 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time period, certainly made sense of beneath, which most certainly shows that the kind of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $43,447,319,572, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $268,770,833, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving pretty normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the Cardano. Showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, showing how the all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $43,447,319,572.